Hello YouTube, today we are going to be grinding with my friend Shaki, and supposedly he got banned, and now he's kind of broke. Oh, rip. Today I'm going to be teaching Shaki how to grind in Jailbreak. And we're going to be grinding as well, so yeah. Let's get into it. So get in my car. Press E. Okay. Okay, and also shoutouts to Shaki for linking me to this screen recorder that he let me use. And also go check out his channel too. He makes really great content. So get in Shaki. So yeah. Okay, we will be going to the trade now. If the trade is here. So basically, Shaki, it's train, jewelry, train, bank, train, jewelry, train, bank, train. Yeah, basically like that. For now, after we rob both, we will be rejoining the server real quick. I am a little bit sick, so sorry YouTube. No. Yes. Wait. You barely got any money. You only got 1,000. Like, what are you doing? I'm not sure if you can hear Shaki or not, but it's good. Shaki, do you have the army heli? You have the army heli? Let me see my FPS. My FPS is good. It's 60. Now, all I need to do is for Shaki to open this door. Hello? Sir. You go touch this door. Now I will teach you how to do the lasers. It's fairly simple. Watch me do that. Yes. And you run through this one. Yeah, good. And do not stand too close to this like that. Do not do that. Don't do that. I know, right? I got yellow damage. So, and don't get. No. And you gotta jump around until until it shows that that stack and money cash. If you upgrade your duffel bag, you can get to 3,000. And if you have VIP, you get 3,600. And in jewelry, if you have extra duffel bag, you get 5,000. And if you have VIP, then you get 6,000, basically. Wait. Don't. Wait. Good. No. I'm just gonna eat some watermelon. No. Stop. I'm telling you to stop. You there? Hello? Oh wait, I found a new glitch. If you stay over here and turn that way, then you get your money. You gotta like jump around and stuff. I think we just broke the bank. Oh, never mind. So now we are going to rejoin so we can actually show you guys the pattern. So let's just leave the game. Okay. Okay. So just gotta do that. No, wait. Gotta come. Yes. Now gotta shut down. Now join. Okay, we are joining back in. Also, guys, if you have Discord, just join the group. Basically, I'll put the Discord in the description. And yeah. And so Shaki's gonna be a cop. I'm gonna be a criminal. And yeah, basically, I'm gonna get a key card for the bank when we get to that. And yeah. And he's almost to Bugatti. So that's really good. Oh no. You literally spawned at the city. Oh shoot. I don't know if YouTube could hear you. Not sure. But comment if you can hear it. Oh no. Give me a key. We'll go head over to the train. And whatever you do, don't rob the small stores. Just leave Asimo and Bad CC broke. Oh my god, what did I just do? Oh my god. No. I'm getting my own heli. You go to the train, go to the train. I'll spam some L's as Shaki just to make him mad a little bit. So this gonna be an 11 minutes ish something video. I'll turn it into I'll make another a 30-minute grinding video tomorrow if you guys like it. Wait, actually today. Comment if you want me to do that, and I'll do that for you guys. So yeah, this video might actually be for 30. Yeah, I think I'll be doing 30 minutes. Shaki leave the call? What? Shaki left the call. What? Shaki? What happened? And guys, every time the train comes at 3 o'clock p.m. So once you can tell the time, then the next train will be at 11, 12-ish p.m. 11 or 12. It's 11 or 12. I don't know. And train comes to right now. And if you could do that, then it's good. Then you can no clip on the next cart. Shaki, open the door. Open the door. Shaki, open the door. Open the door. Open door. Open the door. Oh my God, open the door. I said open the door. Ay, 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 ay. Shaki, uh-oh. What? 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 I didn't do anything! Oh my God. Ay, 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 ay. Tell me there's another red cart. Oh no. Oh my God. So now you could do that. Well, I didn't get a full one. Because I don't know what happened. I guess the screen recorder lagged. And it glitched me out of there. So what you want to do now is to go back over there. Oh my God. What the heck, Train? I thought we were best friends, Train. At least someone tell he's here. Oh my God! Who look? Would you look at that? Who forgot to lock their heli? Ooh la la! Ooh la la! Who forgot to lock their heli? Ooh la la! And look at my headphones. Credit to VetNet for letting me finding these out. I would not have done this Roblox Creator Challenge without him answering the questions. So big thanks to VetNet for letting me use this outfit, making this outfit available. Dude, spam your L's correctly. L's will come with slashes. You'll find out how I spam L's. I used to spam L's like this. You're gonna make a diss track on me? Are you serious? Are you kidding me? You're gonna make a diss track on me? No. Don't make a diss track on me. And also YouTube, I'm going to be streaming after this video. So, yeah,